Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lena Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I have another mini album tip for you, and that is to make interactive pages in your mini album, and that is actually pretty easy. So I have a few ideas to show you. I have 3 different interactive pages, tricks that you can make that are actually pretty easy. So the first one is just to have a page with a corner pocket, and I'm going to link all the full videos in the description under the video. So whatever size of a mini album page you're making, you are simply going to cover the page with a background paper, whatever you have in your stash, or you can start with a pattern paper page in the first place. You don't have to cover it. And all you need to do, I'm going to use a circle, but you can use a square. And all you need to do is just align that piece of square or circle that I'm going to cut the 2 of the edges with the corner. And that is a corner pocket. You simply apply glue to the bottom and the side, and then you attach it to your page and leave the, let's say, top side open, the top right side in this case. If you're making a left corner pocket, you leave it open so you can tuck things under it or insert things under it, and that is really good for, extra photos, journaling, and things like that. So I'm just going to embellish my little corner pocket. And of course you can embellish it and match it to the page theme or the mini album theme that you are working on. This is just an idea, but you can see how it's going to increase, let's say, your real estate. So instead of just one journaling card or one photo that can fit on this page, you can actually insert things in that pocket and have a few photos or a few journaling cards because they're all inserted in that pocket. So I'm just going to cut 2 little tags so you get the idea of this really fun idea. So now we insert, and then we have a pocket page. Next, let's make a flap page. This is another interactive idea. So what you need to do is create a piece of paper, cut a piece of paper that is longer than your actual page size. The height is the same, but the length is more than the page. And then you simply fold the extra page, the extra space, into a flap. So it can be a double flap, it can be a single flap, and then you have this, and that's a really cool interactive idea, again increasing your real estate. Last is a belly band idea. So that is really cool. If you have smaller pieces of paper, you simply add 2 little tabs on the sides of a strip of paper, and you attach it to the page to tuck things under it. So like I said, I'm going to attach all the full tutorials in the description under the video, so you'll have 3 video links you can go ahead and check. I really hope you like this mini album tip and that you're going to add these interactive pages to your mini album. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.